Hello everyone, today we are here to discuss about waves. Okay, so let's begin with. So actually the waves are the movements of water, either it goes up or come down with the effect of wind. Okay, and the nature of wave mainly depends on wind, because if the wind are strong, if the wind is blowing fast, so waves will also move faster, and if the wind is slow, so of course its speed will also go slow. So next is, if the velocity of wind is more bigger, if the velocity is more, if the speed is more, bigger waves will form, and if the speed is less of wind, then waves will also be less, much smaller. Okay, now it will be clear by this diagram. See here, you could see using this in this diagram. So this is the diagram made, or this diagram shows when the speed is more, velocity is more. Now see, this is the high wave, then it is going down, then again up. Okay, so when it is going up, when the waves goes up, it is known as crest, right? This is first wave and this is the second wave, and when it comes down, it is known as trough. Okay, now see, with this picture we can see its characteristics also. The distance between two crests, okay, this is known as wavelength, right? I repeat again, the distance between, this is first crest, this is the second crest, so distance between two crests is wavelength. At the same way, distance between two troughs are also known as wavelength, right? Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Hope this much is clear to everyone. Now here we have got characteristics, okay, characteristics of waves. Now, as I said, when the wave moves up, that is crest. See, the highest and the lowest point of a wave are known as crest and trough. So when it goes up, crest, when it comes down, trough. And the wavelength means, okay, let's go again. See this picture. So this is, we were discussing about wave height. So it is a vertical distance from the bottom of a trough to the top of the crest. Okay, so this is this point to this point. This whole distance is known as your wave height. Okay, top of the crest, bottom of the trough. This whole is known as wave height, and half of wave height is known as wave amplitude. Okay, so for example, if the wave height is 1 kilometer, so 500 meter would be its wave amplitude. Next we have wave period, means when the difference between the time difference between two crests or two trough. Okay, so that is wave period. And length we have discussed before, only the distance between two crests is wavelength. Wave speed, as we all know, speed means how much is coming, like how much you could walk or run in 1 kilometer. For example, if I could run 50 meters in 1 kilometer, okay, this is just an example. If I could run 50 meters in 1 kilometer, like 1 hour, so my speed would be 50 meter per hour. Okay, same way, this we are measuring in unit, its measuring unit is knots, so we measure this in knots. So wave speed means how much it can run, how much, like what is its speed. Okay, so we measure like other we measure in hours, so this is measured in knots. Next we have frequency. We all know frequency means how many times, right? How many times it is the number of waves passing in a given point during 1 second time interval. Okay, so how many times it is coming in 1 second time interval is your wave frequency. Okay, that's it for today. If you still have any queries, you can write in comment box. I'll try to give the answer. Thank you so much.